still have to do my Pride collection. And I have to do all that tonight. So that'll probably take me about an hour to do because I got to mix up all the glosses or whatever. Because the whole gloss, the flavors, it's not going to be mixed flavors. It's going to be mixed vision, like colors, but it's going to be tropical. Fruity. Taste the Skittles. Rainbow. Okay guys, this is my I got my colors mixed up and all of it is flavored tropical fruit punch, and I'm getting ready to start tubing it up, so I have to go and wash my hands again because I got fresh gel base all over my other gloves I was just using. So I'm not gonna film this right here because I'm already running late or whatever, and I want to get it over with so I can get pictures taken so I can get it posted. But here is my Pride colors, and you see the outcome in a few. Always use small batches when I'm testing out colors and I'm not sure what color it's going to be, so I don't waste a whole lot of precious gel. But at the same time, I do offer the mystery gloss, and I let them know that okay, it's not in any way any less quality of the other glosses. It's just that okay, something that I didn't quite intend on it being in that color or whatever. So I put it in the mystery gloss, and they'll buy it as mystery gloss with no name or whatever. I have my gloss all tubed up and ready to go. This should be easy, right? Hey guys, these are the gloss, the Pride gloss. I'm finally done. Now I'm taking pictures for the site. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.